Hey everybody, Don-DeRosa here. Just wanted to give you a quick video. I'm out here at our rehab in Snellville. I'm going to kind of give you a quick walk around. This is a house we bought for around $60,000, right, Alan? Something like that. So we bought it for about 60. Going to put close to 60, 70 in it. But I wanted to kind of walk around and give you an idea as to what we were going to do. And on the outside, it's brick, so we're going to actually, because we took some windows out, we're going to paint the brick. Normally I wouldn't paint brick unless it's ugly, but in this case the brick's actually in pretty good shape, but we're going to paint it anyways because I'll see if I can show you. Let's go back out here. It doesn't look too bad, but you can kind of see it right there in between the two windows. We did that, and then there's some more on the back side. So that prompted us to paint it. So we're going to paint the brick, put some new gutters, new downspouts, and do some landscaping. We took down a bunch of trees. And as you can see in here, there's a door right there that leads in. We're going to kind of close that up, and it has another door in here. So let's see if I can show you when you first walk in the house, I don't know if you can see it, but this floor down here is all new. Everything there is new. This laundry room, this whole floor right here was destroyed. And it was rotted. You couldn't even walk in there. If you look off to my left here, there's another set of doors. This used to be a bay window, a big bay window. So we replaced the bay window with this. We put all new electrical, all new plumbing in this house. Everything. That used to be a door right over there. Right here, this used to be a door. You can see we kind of closed that in and made that a window, and it'll match the window on the other side. We also, if you can see behind me or up above me, we had a wall here, and we took this wall down to give it more of an open concept. If you can see, this is all now one big open space, not to get you dizzy, but it's all one big open space now. And this is I think it's a 16 or 18 inch LVL, two of them. And then if you go back further here, as we walk back, this is all, we extended this whole area right here out to give us a master closet. And then this is one of the bedrooms right here. You can't really tell what it is yet, but this is a bathroom next door. It used to be a pass-through, Jack and Jill, and the bathroom was only this big from, you can see kind of on the floor right about where my arm is, all the way this way. That was the bathroom. And then this back here was a closet. So what we've done, we took the closet out there and made this actually wider. You can actually see it on the floor down here. This bathroom used to be further in this way, and you couldn't even fit a standard tub in. So now we made it at least 5 foot wide, which is a standard tub. And so now we're gonna have a tub, and that's where we bricked up the wall on that side. So we bricked that up, that window. So now we have a tub enclosure there. You're gonna be able to access the bathtub or the bath area, or this bathroom, from the hallway. So it'd be a traditional hallway bath. And when we bumped this out, what happened was we didn't have a closet. That used to be part of the closet. So now we had to add a closet behind us, so each bedroom has its own closet. So that is that. So as we walk back here, here's another bedroom on the opposite side. Pretty standard bedroom. Again, right here you will see it looks like a doorway, but this is actually going to be closed up. We got drywall people coming in today. This is being closed up. This used to be part of the passway through to the Jack and Jill, and we closed this up. So now this is just a standalone bedroom. And this closet back here that you see used to be really deep here. Used to go back. So if you look back in here, you see how deep this went back here. It was like that on this side. But what we did was we made it a little shallower, which didn't really make a difference on the closet, but it did make a big difference here on the front side of this, where we took out the closet down here and we added it right here. So we added another hall closet here. And then you come into the master and we have his closet here. And then this leads into the bathroom, the master. So you come in here and you can't really see it, but that's going to be your shower area here with a glass enclosure. And we are going to put a vanity here. We closed, there used to be a door here, we closed that. Okay, and that's where your toilet is going to go. So toilet, vanity, shower on this side. And then what we did was we created this opening here. And if you remember me mentioning, we actually pushed this wall back out into the living space to create a closet here. So this is more of a walk-in closet. So that's kind of what we've done so far in the Snellville house. I'm going to try to do some updates on this from time to time. The drywall people were coming in today. The electrician finished the rough part of the electrical part today. And now the drywallers are coming in. They were supposed to be here today, but naturally they didn't show up. Or they did, but then they left because we had a few nails in the wall and they said it wasn't prepped. So I changed drywallers on them. So now we're going to change, and we got a new set of drywallers coming in. And that's pretty much it. You know, hopefully we'll sell this a little over $200,000. We got 60, well, we paid 60, we got 70 in it, where we will. And then we'll probably sell it hopefully 210, 220 when it's all said and done. But we'll see. So until next time, this is Don saying thank you very much and happy investing.